So we position the front panel. Just make sure that the screws go into these screw holes. Best way to do that is to first push the screws through the panel, and then just place the panel down. Try to align the screws, and then gently, using a screwdriver, start the screw into the pilot hole. And once it's starting to go in the pilot hole, make sure it's vertical, and then just try to screw it in using the screwdriver. Make sure you're holding it directly above the screw, so the screw only goes in vertically. That's it, and then the panel will just start to straighten out. That's it, just keep going until this is straight. Yeah, I'll continue this video once this panel is installed.